Thank you so much.
Fighters touch gloves, separate, and here we go. Welcome to EFS Fight Night 6. This is the main event of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, for the WBC Muay Thai national title. This fight is 5 rounds of 3 minutes Muay Thai. Shusmita on the red corner and Rajina Bista on the blue. Nice punch landed for Rajina. Jabs. Shusmita trying to close the distance with Rajina. Nice low kick. Shusmita trying to close the distance.
Nice push kick by Shusmita.
Rajina trying to close the distance. Beautiful nice elbow landed by Shusmita. Another cross landed by Shusmita. What a cross. Stuns Rajina.
Oh, nice right hand by Shusmita. Whoa.
Another cross by Rajina. Rajina gives back of her own. Rajina trying to close the distance. Shusmita trying to.
Nice elbow attempt by Shusmita.
Trying to go with the elbow. Rajina trying to close the distance. Shusmita in the round number 1 on Muay Thai always starts slow.
Rajina.
Beautiful left kick landed by Shusmita. Another jab and cross landed by Shusmita.
Oh, the nice kick from Shusmita.
In the corner.
Last 10 seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, in Muay Thai, you get points for dominance as well as for impact. If you score, if your kicks have power, you score with a kick. Akshat, what do you have to say about this fight? What do you have to say about round number 1?
It was nice.
Alright. Round number 2. Beautiful push kick by Shusmita. Nice right kick by Shusmita over there. Rajina catches her with her punches. I believe in this fight, Rajina having more success with her punches. Over there, Shusmita lands right of her own. Nice. Those side kicks are landing home for Shusmita. Rajina landing with the right cross. Rajina touching gloves with Shusmita. Rajina going for in and out with left kick and Rajina with the high kick. Shusmita. Nice right hand connected from Rajina. Shusmita. Nice left and right by Rajina. Another punch. Body and left hand by Rajina Bista. Shusmita trying to set up her switch kick but fails. Rajina going for elbow. Shusmita trying to maintain her distance. Rajina very clean with her footwork. Nice cross landed for Rajina. Rajina finding success with her boxing in the latter rounds. Body and hooks. Nice side kick by Shusmita and another. Rajina gives back of her own. In the clinch, Shusmita lands a knee exiting the clinch. Another side kick by Shusmita. I mean, these side kicks are going to add up in the later rounds. Nice inside low by Rajina. Shusmita being calm and composed, keeping her calm. Rajina trying to move in and out. Shusmita landing those teeps, trying axe kick of her own but misses. Shusmita seeing nice low inside low landed by Shusmita. Both fighters kick each other. Shusmita pressing, being the aggressor. Nicely landed by Shusmita. Another elbow landed by Shusmita. Another elbow landed by Shusmita. Rajina trying to hold in the clinch and dumps Shusmita to the ground. I can already see a cut in Rajina's right eye. Maybe it's from the elbow by Shusmita, but Rajina is moving forward, keeping up her spirit. Nice push kick attempt by Rajina, but misses. Shusmita is staying calm, cool and composed. Low kick attempt by Rajina. Nice low kick, but lands. Shusmita lands across of her own. I thought it was a long down, ladies and gentlemen, but referee Mean Guru decided it not to be. But what a punch landed by Shusmita in the land round. Side kick, Shusmita moving forward, lands an elbow of her own. Shusmita finding tremendous success in the second round of this fight. Beautiful, beautiful right cross landed for Shusmita. Shusmita keeping her guard high, staying calm, staying composed, looking for the right moment and accurately landing those cross. Nice low kick land by Shusmita. I believe Rajina now should be the aggressor of this fight. Either maintain her distance and show up in the latter rounds, or Rajina should push forward, as maybe she might be down 2 for me. What a cross landed. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful cross landed by Shusmita over there. Low kick. Another left kick by Shusmita. High kick missed from Rajina. Shusmita finding most of her success in the second round of this fight. Beautiful elbow attempt by Shusmita right there. Rajina trying to close the distance. Shusmita always trying to connect. Rajina dumps her over there in the clinch. I believe Shusmita is doing a tremendous job right now. Look at the cross that knocks Rajina down. Right here, live on PSN. Here we go. Rajina maybe back. Can she redeem herself? A nice left kick landed by Shusmita. Rajina going in with her cross. Catches the left kick. Another left kick landed by Shusmita. Another right kick landed by Shusmita. Shusmita finding most of her success right here. I mean, I can already see a cut in Rajina's eye. Rajina trying to go. Nice cross landed by Rajina. Nice knee. Elbow by Shusmita. Rajina looking exhausted. Can she redeem herself? Nice cross landed by Rajina. Another cross. That is a beautiful boxing movement right there by Rajina. Rajina pressing forward. Beautiful, beautiful movement. I believe Rajina should do exactly what she is doing right now and push. Be the aggressor. Be the aggressor. Move forward. Fight like the woman she is. Nice left kick landed by Shusmita. Nice exchange by both fighters. Nice side kick landed by Shusmita. Shusmita doing a tremendous job right now. But nice overhand right landed by Shusmita. Rajina using her boxing, going forward. Another sweep for Rajina. Let me remind you, these sweeps have no points, but still demoralizing for the opponent. Shusmita tries for a left kick and slips. Rajina should be the aggressor in this fight. Oh, what an elbow landed by Shusmita right there. Shusmita, I mean cross. Shusmita, I mean finding success with her elbows. Beautiful jab and cross. Rajina, nice body shot by Rajina. Rajina needs to move forward, ladies and gentlemen. Rajina, nice body shot by Rajina. Pistol cross lands. Shusmita lands a cross of her own. Rajina going for the body shots. Another body by Rajina. Nice left kick by Shusmita as well. Nice knee by Shusmita and cross. Nice tee by Rajina. Another cross landed by Shusmita. I mean, this is a non-stop action, ladies and gentlemen. Fighters on the clinch action. Nice knee landed by Rajina. Fighters cheering for Rajina. Rajina going. Nice, beautiful cross landed by Rajina. Pistol right there. Nice tip by Rajina. Rajina maybe finding her moment in the latter rounds. Shusmita maybe looking tired. Nice cross landed by Rajina, going for the body shots. Shusmita, nice knee landed by Shusmita right there. Nice teep by Rajina, another overhand right by Rajina. Nice elbow connected by Shusmita. And we are at the end of round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. This is non-stop action. Here we go. Rajina Era 1 trying to redeem herself, trying to get those title fight. Shusmita lands a left kick. Rajina, beautiful cross. Rajina finding nice knee by Rajina Bista. Another cross by Rajina. Another cross. Another cross. Another cross. Rajina keep moving forward. Rajina having success in the later round of this fight. Nice elbow landed by Rajina. Shusmita looks tired. Shusmita landing push kick of her own. Absolutely beautiful job by Rajina in the later rounds. Going for the body punches, going for another cross. Rajina Bista finding success in round number 4. Can she do it, ladies and gentlemen? Can she find a knockdown in this later round? Shusmita, even though taking those, another cross landed by Rajina Bista. I mean, these shots are accurate. Shusmita again landing those push kicks. Another right hand landed for Rajina. 1-2 are landing home for Rajina. Another push kick to the face by Shusmita. Shusmita also giving back of her own. These girls are, I mean, going for it, man. Nice left kick landed by Shusmita. Nice cross landed for Rajina. I mean, being accurate with those crosses. Another cross by Rajina. Shusmita looking a little bit tired on round number 4. Nice, another cross landed for Rajina. Can Rajina find a success in the later rounds? Nice left kick landed for Shusmita. Nice low kick. Beautiful elbow landed for Shusmita right there. Rajina, another cross. Rajina gives the back of her own. These girls are exchanging. These girls going for all out war in this 4th round of Muay Thai. Do not miss it. Another cross lands for Rajina. Rajina doing a tremendous job. Shusmita gives back of her own. Going for those left kicks. Shusmita lands another right hand. Rajina moving forward. Not giving up. Beautiful 1-2 landed by Shusmita. Rajina defending those punches with her face. Rajina wants to move forward. Both fighters looks gassed. I mean, these fighters are experiencing 5 rounds. Oh, beautiful left hand, right hand landed by Shusmita. Rajina going for it. Nice right hand. Another high kick landed for Rajina Bista. I mean, Rajina should push in the later rounds. Nice left kick landed by Shusmita. This switch kick by Shusmita are beautiful. Accurately landing, setting up of this fight. Both fighters doing a tremendous job right now. We go for round number 3. Who is gonna win this fight? Beautiful left kick landed by Shusmita, and Rajina gives back of her own. Jab and cross landed by Rajina. Rajina moving forward. Shusmita landing off her own. Crossing, Shusmita giving back. These ladies are duking it out, man. Both fighters are not thinking of going back. Both fighters moving forward. Shusmita landing left kick. Rajina going for it. Rajina lands cross. Rajina moving forward. Rajina doing a tremendous job. Shusmita looks on the ropes. Shusmita looking for trouble. Shusmita pushes Rajina back. Rajina giving Shusmita absolute big trouble. Nice right kick landed by Shusmita from the outside. Another high kick landed for Shusmita. Rajina not looking to go back. Rajina absolutely strong. Keeping moving forward. Another jab and cross landed by Rajina. Shusmita gives her left kick for Rajina. Shusmita's doing a beautiful job for this left kick. Rajina landing those right punch and cross. Shusmita landing these crosses of her own. Both fighters doing an absolutely great job. Shusmita falls down. I mean, 1 minute 30 seconds left in this fight. Both fighters being the aggressors. Shusmita lands a teep. Stops Rajina. Nice jab by Shusmita. Rajina going to look forward, looking for that right hand. Shusmita looking for the left kick. Who will find who first is the question right now. Oh, beautiful Superman punch by Shusmita right here. Nice jabbing cross by Rajina as well. Another kick by Shusmita. I mean, Shusmita landing with those kicks very often. Rajina pushing forward, landing with those crosses. Rajina also not holding back, moving forward, showing heart. Rajina seeing there. Nice jabbing cross. Shusmita left kick. I mean, this is basically a fight between a puncher and a kicker. Nice kick by Rajina. Nice kick by Shusmita. Nice left hand. Oh, spinning back kick attempt by Shusmita, but misses. Rajina looking for her right hand. Shusmita looking for the left kick. Finds home with the left kick, and Rajina also right hand. Shusmita also left kick. 15 seconds of this fight, ladies and gentlemen. Who is going to be crown champion? Nice left kick by Shusmita. Shusmita pushing forward. Rajina falls down. Rajina, I mean, going for it. Shusmita finding left kick. Another elbow land for Shusmita. What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. Non-stop Muay Thai action. You can only find it here.
And new WBC Super Flyweight champion of Nepal, the fighter from red corner, Shusmita Thapa.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for the WBC champion, Shusmita Thapa.